Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. In this video, you will see which is better, IFB washing machine versus Samsung washing machine, which is good for long-term use. What are the advantages and disadvantages? Let, let us learn. Here we have IFB washing machine bought in 2019, 6 years completed. What are the advantages? Positive. Here we can speak all positives like cleaning performance is high compared to Samsung washing machine. Before 2019, we have used Samsung washing machines. Comparatively, performance in cleaning is so good. Also, this IFB washing machine is the first and ideal manufacturers and founders of washing machines era. So they are the leading manufacturers and they are the first to introduce washing machines. So believing that factor, that is this is the first company to launch washing machines. It's not all the it does not have all advantages like other washing machines. Samsung, especially versus Samsung, uh, if you would like to use long term, then this washing machine is not good compared to Samsung washing machine. See here, we have faced a lot of problems in this washing machines. When we purchased in 2019, within 1 month, a lot of complaints arised, and we have also replaced these machines after several claims and several fights with the distributor. So after that, also the new machine also have lot of problems every time. Within 3 months or 6 months, we are supposed to invite technicians to solve the problem, and even within warranty period, lot of problems arise. So think that at the time, with washing machine you cannot wash. Okay, so it will take some times, and it will give lot of troubles, and cloths will be accumulated during that service period. So these problems we have before not found in Samsung washing machines, even though it has less performance comparatively in cleaning, especially in cleaning. But it does not it does not have such disadvantages like frequent servicing. Okay, frequent fault and servicing. Okay. um, Also, see, uh, we have come up with a lot of problems, and though we have still this problem, that is a rat. Mm, Rat bites all the wires, and uh, even though in this board. Okay. So it passed like 1 month. It cost, now after warranty period, uh, it cost more, like 5,000 rupees, and so it adds more maintenance cost. Okay. In Samsung also we have used but this board problem will not come due to the rat, because this is more prone to damage by rat, because the system is not designed to protect rat. Okay. uh, as a customer uh, you should know this, and yes, comparatively it is very very low. They just tell like that, it is due to rat. So you have to first get rid of rats, even though you are you are preparing to get rid of rats. You cannot completely eliminate rats in your home. Sometimes it will come, but in the same situation, Samsung does not have this problem, because the rat will not able to enter into the machine. In such a way, Samsung has built the design and everything inside. Okay, so inside, the built system is so so bad in this washing machine, IFB washing machine. So that I can tell like that. Okay, so finally we have decided to drop this, and we are now preparing for the Samsung one. Okay, not this IFB washing machine, even though they are the first to introduce washing machine to the world. Okay, because their strategies to do a lot of services, and they are also telling that a lot of people is facing this. So what it means, their system is fault. Okay, so don't go for IFB washing machine if you would like to use long term. If you would like to use short term, like 2 to 3 years, and with excellent cleaning performance, then you can go for this IFB washing machine. If you don't bother about frequent servicing, and if you don't bother about cost, then you can just go to the IFE washing machine. Okay, but if you would like to use long term, then only choice is Samsung washing machine. Okay, so uh, uh, this is my final verdict about this, these two, when comparing IFP IFP versus IFP with other washing machines like Samsung. Okay, we have not used any other washing machine like LG, uh, uh, other washing machine, Onida, etc. We didn't use. We have only used before Samsung, and now we have used this, but during short time we have faced this lot of problems, so that we have given this to in front of you, so you can decide yourself what to do. Okay, if you are really concerning about cleaning performance, and also short term usage, then you can surely go for the IFE washing machine. Samsung is also not bad in cleaning, but comparatively it is less. Less means it is just 10 percentage less, I can say. So 10 percentage less is almost negligible, so you can blindly go for Samsung washing machines to use long term, as well as some better performance in cleaning. Okay, that's all, friends. We have compared these two. We will see in the next video with a different topic. That's all, friends. Bye.